Hello, this is Humara Nila and welcome to my vending machine. This is the technical description of my vending machine. So in here, this is the main file, which is the vending machine.py, and we have some supported file here like the JSON file of cards, coupons and products, and a TXT file of requirements. So in cards, I have put some card information so that a person can use card payment with these card numbers, and some coupons so that the person can have discount when he or she is buying, and a product for the stocks, like how many we have, the data of the stocks, and it is like updatable. When someone buys anything from the vending machine, it will update it and it will be less. And for the requirements, we need these three things for the vending machine to start. So for my main coding, first I have imported all of these files here, and then I have to load the data from the JSON file to my main Python file. So I have loaded it, and you can see I have also loaded the products, the coupons and the cards, and I have put an empty function of card. And now here I have also made an attempt thing. So if you like do invalid attempts, then there you will have 3 attempts. Like if you do something which is invalid for my vending machine, you will have a total of 3 attempts. If you are run of the 3, you have to start again from the beginning. And then I have put it like some colorings for the list, like for the code, the name, the price and the stocks. I have put it some colorings in it so that it looks really nice. And then I put it that this name, price and stock, this will be string, so that if someone tries to put another thing than string, then it will show as invalid. And after that I have put my main codings here. First of all, I have put an input, so enter the product code to purchase. So there are some codes here. You can see the person has to put the code, like which thing, like if he wants to drink coffee, he has to write A5 to have this coffee. So yeah, now I have like inputted to enter the product code. Then if he doesn't put the right code, it will show to invalid. You have to do it again. And if he does put the right code, and as you know that it is updatable, and now here's a 20 stock, like in my stock there is 20 Kit Kats, but after like a lot of time everyone got Kit Kat and I don't have any Kit Kat left, then I put it this, like if the stock is 0, like there was 20, but if it comes to 0, then it will show that sorry, the product is out of stock. And then again, if it is in stock, then we have to try to enter the quantity, like how much you want to put. Like there was 20 Kit Kats, now how much Kit Kats do you want? So if the person enters like not 20, maybe like 23 or 24, it will show that it's an invalid. You have to put the correct number, and after you put it, you have to confirm it by pressing like not pressing, by writing y or n. Y means yes and n means no. And I have used this function so that they don't, if they use extra spaces, it doesn't affect my vending machine. So yeah, I put this if else command for if it's y, then what will happen, and if it's n, then what will happen. And after that, like we have to do, like if the person say yes, then we'll again give him the option to again choose. And after choosing, if it's done, like if he presses n, like he doesn't want anything more, then it will be a break, like it will go to the next function. So what's next? Now I have to calculate the total, how much he wanted and how much it will cost. So I put some functions here with some coloring so that it looks nice, and here are the function how to make the total of it. And after that, I have also put a function for the coupons here. In coupons, you have already know that there are there is only one coupon. If the person writes save 10, then he will get a 10% discount, and if he put discounts, then he will get a 5% discount in his product. So now the thing is, if he inputs an invalid coupon number, like something that isn't in here in the JSON file, it will show that it is invalid coupon code. And then after entering the coupon, now it will give a new total amount, like how much it will total cost. And then we are going for the next function, which is if you want to pay with cash or card. So now if you want to pay with cash, I'm using the float because it's the numbers. It can be with like the points, like 7.5 and something else. So that's why we are using float. And I have put it this function, like you have to insert money, then the total, if the total is more than the cash you inputted, like I think if you like get a Kit Kat, and suppose it was like 5 dirhams and you put it in the vending machine 2 dirhams, it will show that insufficient amount and you have to try again. And if you put more than, it was 5 dirham and you put it 10 dirhams, then it will say the transaction is successful and you have a change return. I have put a function so that if you put extra money, you will get return the extra money you put it. Or else, like if it is 5 dirhams and you put 5 dirhams, it will just say transaction successful, and yeah, it's done. You will get your food and you can go. Now you can also pay by card, and for pay by card, you already know that I have this JSON file with the numbers of some card. So when it is say enter the card number, I have to put the numbers which is written here. If the person puts the numbers which is here, then he has to put the pin also. If he put it correctly, then it will show it is correct. If he doesn't put it correctly, it will show that maybe the card number is invalid or the pin number is invalid. And you can also see that there I have limited the balance, like it is only 500 for this card and 300 for this card. So if we buys more than these numbers, then it will show that insufficient balance. I'm doing it with my if else function. So now if the card number is correct, the pin number is correct, and the money you have to spend is in your card, then it will say that the transaction is successful, thank you. Then you'll get your food and the operation will be done. Now here is the function where it says like how the billing will be happening. Like you have the option to pay by cash or card. If you choose the option 1, it will give you the option to pay by cash, and if you choose the option 2, then it will give you the option to pay by card. And then this is my total vending machine, and this is the design of it, and I hope you love it so much. Thank you.